So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to solder wire with lighter. And this is my homemade wire holder stand. It's just made out of solid wire with two gator clamps. I'm going to use this wire here and this wire right here, or either two, as an example. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut equal lengths. And from there, I'm going to use my wire strippers. I'm going to strip some of the conduit away off of it. Goes one end. Here's the other side. It's not evenly cut or stripped, but this is just a demonstration purpose. So now what I'm going to do, there's several ways you can do this. You can either overlay them like this, you can push them into each other and twist them. I like to overlay them like this. So I'll try to get about equal length on both ends. And all I do is I overlay them, kind of like an X pattern, and over each other. So I like to do my overlays and I solder wires like that. Sorry about the camera, it's not the best quality, but that's what I got. So in here, I'm going to set it in my stand. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to get my solder, get a little more out of there. I'm going to get my lighter. Put it under the wire just a little bit. Just enough to heat it up to where that solder starts to penetrate. Right there, I just have my wires already soldered and everything, and I'll show you what it looks like. Right there, my wire's all soldered up and everything, and that's gonna hold. Yeah, that's hold. That's a strong solder, and all I used was a $3 Bic lighter, tube of solder, and a pair of wire strippers. And yeah, you don't really need to buy an expensive torch to solder wires together or anything. You can just use a simple lighter if you're starting off, just so you don't have to spend that much money when you're doing electrical work on cars and having to repair broken wires, cut wires, stripped wires, stuff like that. But yeah, I hope this helps anyone out.